stop it everywhere that you go. Talking so smooth.